Oh my god, could you please shut up? Oh my god, you get on my nerves. Oh my goodness, with all that, oh, that sick noises. I want you to feel better now. What's going on, Rhino? You keep making all the sick noises. I can't stand it anymore. Shut up! Okay, I handle this, okay? Rhino? Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Okay, Monkey. I can't stand all those new noises. I hope you feel better now. Hear me? Yup. I can't stand it. What you should do? I know what you should do. Huh? I don't know. I keep falling. Oh my god. My body hurts. Oh my god. I'm gonna lay out here. Huh? Who's this? It's me. One eye. Tepig! Tepig, are you alright? Tepig! He's dead. Okay, Monkey. Let's save our meal. Right back at you. Oh, stop making that noise or I hit you forever until you stop forevermore. Okay, so he's sick. That's why we're making it special, guys. I'm so sorry about that. Please forgive us. And Mew, because of you, we forgot to make it special because of you. You sick. Man, I can't say that word. It's a bad word. Kids watching. Yeah, kids watching. What are we supposed to do? Should we be calling an ambulance? The doctor? Or me. Me. Good job, guys. Forget me, Jill. He's no help at all anyway. Okay, Mew. Let's take you to the doctor. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on. Okay, the Pokey Doctor. I want you to heal Mew for his sickness. Oh, he keep making all the sick noise. He keep making all the sick noise. Okay, I'll help him. Step out in the room and wait in the radio room. Right here. Okay? Alright then. Oh, it's been 2 hours. Where you been so long? I don't know. You better wait patient, okay? Alrighty then. Oh my god, why is this camera fall? I don't know. Hold steady before I'll kill you. Come back here. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Hope you learn your lesson. Okay, let's wait. Alright. Okay, there's another 2 hours later since the beginning of time in space. Let's look at, you know what? Who cares? Let's get back to the show. Alrighty then. It's been another 2 hours. We're dead. Okay, they're dead. Let's see them doing. Okay, let's go. Right. I'm sorry, but the reason why it's 4 hours to do this because I can't stand all that noise. Oh my god, that's it. We'll fight him. No. Why? The only way to stop all that noise is to let him drink all that. Ew! That's sick, man! I know it's disgusting, but it's the only way. You're right. And Tepig, what are you doing here? Oh yeah, he's still dead. Okay, let's get the Dragon Balls. Wait a minute. When Wario and Monkey wish Tepig back to life. Let's see this turning out, okay? Okay. Just kidding! Haha! I lied. Haha! You can't stop me. Now get back to the show. What happened? You dead. Oh. Okay, hey, the Pokey Doctor. Hello, Tepig. How you doing? Fine. Good. Have you been good? Yeah. Good. Now, okay. Tepig, the only way is to get Mew out in that noise is by letting him drink that. You are a gayest toy in history. Sorry, I got something on my mouth. What? Hey, you gay. Anyway, we don't have time to arguing. Mew has a noise sickness itis. The Poke Doctor told me that. Right, Poke Doctor? Yes, Tepig. See, told ya. For real? Yes, for real. So shut up before I'll bend you for doctor. Now, could you just sick or die? Oh, sorry. Okay, I hope you learn your lesson. Haha, you just got served. Shut up. Okay, let's just go. Let's just go to the bathroom. Right there. I know you can get there. Yeah. I'll cover meal. Oops. That's what I was saying. I'll cover meal, okay? Guys. Oh, sorry, not responding. You're trying to protect yourself from crashing. Oh, okay, let's just go. To the bathroom! What? Huh? I was wrong. He still had a noise sickness virus. Itis. He must drink that soda. Oh, I was about to say that was disgusting. I know, right? Okay, let him drink that soda. Right, gang? Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah! Okay, Mew. This is your soda. Look at it. That's your soda, okay? So I hope you feel better after you drink all of this soda can right there. And for orange soda for Piggly Wiggly. They just went to the store yesterday, okay? Okay, now. Oh. Okay, hope it feels better. Drink it, drink it, drink it. Please, come on, drink it. We can't stand that noise now. Alright. Come on, just a couple of liquid left. Come on, Mew. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now, okay, Mew, are you alright? Are you alright? Yeah, are you alright? Wait, what's going on here? Why are y'all doing here? Oh, hey, Poke Doctor. Hello, Mew. How you feel better? I feel better. Better than ever. Yeah. Want to play video game. A mini video game. Let's try mini game. Yeah. I'm ready. Now let's go. I'm glad that's over. Right, guys? Yeah. Well, what happens? My organs is polluted. They sit. Oh my God!